Miriam. It's good to have you back to a show that brings you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. This is Planet Bollywood और मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री. So without further ado, let's begin with the top headlines of the day. क्या है आपके फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटीज के फिटनेस का राज? कंगना रनौत ने किए शॉकिंग रेवलेशंस. कबीर सिंह की रिलीज के 1 साल कंप्लीट करने पर एक्टर शाहिद कपूर ने अपने फैंस और फॉलोअर्स को कैसे कहा थैंक यू. क्या शुरू हो गई है मिहिका और राणा डग्गुबाती की वेडिंग प्रेपरेशंस? Kangna has set social media ablaze with her anger and accusations against whom she calls the movie mafias of Bollywood. She has now opened a new can of worms, calling out fashion magazines for their discrimination against her. Speaking of multiple occasions where stylists and fashion magazine editors have treated her disrespectfully, she has now put a high-profile magazine which usually features Bollywood actors on their cover page in the line of fire, adding the fuel to the already existing debate on social media on how outsiders are treated unfairly in the industry.
मैं बहुत ही आभारी हूँ भारत सरकार की जिन्होंने मुझे पद्मश्री पुरस्कार से सुसज्जित किया है. उन सब दोस्तों की जो बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं दे रहे हैं, बधाइयां दे रहे हैं और सब चाहने वालों की जिन्होंने मेरा साथ दिया है.
This girl is on fire. Kangna Ranaut, who has never shied away from taking Bollywood biggies and calling out the industry on its possibly problematic practices, is using Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely death to take on those she alleges cornered him and sabotaged his chances since he was an outsider from a small town in India. Kangna, who seems to be in an unusually combative mood, has now taken on fashion magazines, accusing them of mistreating and disrespecting her on multiple occasions. Speaking about her troubled history with the leading fashion magazine, Kangna said that starting from 2008, when they refused to feature her with Priyanka Chopra, to now, when they have allegedly banned her from their pages but continue to use her pictures and videos, she has been at the receiving end of their discrimination. According to the actor, when Fashion released, her co-star Priyanka was featured on the cover of the magazine, but Kangna was turned down for not being an A-lister. Kangna said, during my movie Fashion's release in 2008, they did a cover with Priyanka Chopra and refused to put me on their cover as they said I'm not an A-lister. Kangna also revealed some years later in 2014, when she got a chance to work with the magazine and requested a leading stylist to style her for the cover, her request was denied. Speaking about the incident, Kangna said, in 2014 they approached me for a cover, but she refused to style me. She sent her assistant. Kangna said after the release of Queen, when her popularity soared, the magazine asked her to attend their award shows if she wanted to be featured on the cover. Kangna alleges that in spite of her repeated requests for an outdoor shoot and the same leading stylist, the magazine refused to consider either. In fact, she was even told that the stylist would come directly to the shoot and not do any fittings or give Kangna any clothes options. This was shocking behavior. I felt so humiliated. The last straw for the actor came when, in spite of supposedly being banned from the magazine, she reached out to the head of the magazine because she wanted to promote her film Manikarnika. While they asked her to attend their award shows and do a cover for them, the magazine refused to do a cover story on the film and Kangna. After which she has not appeared on their cover as well. Well, अब कंगना के इस मैगजीन के खिलाफ एलिगेशंस कौन से कंट्रोवर्सी के पन्ने पलटते हैं, ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा. But safe to say, a war of words may be coming our way very soon. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, many Bollywood celebrities shared pictures of themselves practicing yoga on social media. Kareena Kapoor Khan, Malaika Arora, Karisma Kapoor, Shilpa Shetty, Varun Dhawan are just some of the celebrities who shared pictures of themselves practicing yoga and also shared why this ancient meditative form of exercise is transformative and also life-affirming. After years of following Western diets and American aerobics videos, yoga has become a popular form of exercise and relaxation in India again. While there have always been yoga classes and teachers, many considered it an old person's workout option till Kareena Kapoor Khan and Shilpa Shetty showed that yoga है उनके fitness और glow का राज। बस जब से बॉलीवुड ने किया योगा को अप्रूव, पूरा इंडिया योगी बनने चल दिया। Recently, on the occasion of International Yoga Day, many Bollywood celebrities shared pictures from their yoga diaries and attributed their health and well-being to this ancient workout and wellness discipline. Kareena Kapoor shared pictures of her in 2 different asanas and wrote in her caption, "More stretching, less stressing. Stay flexible, stay fit and stay fab," and added the hashtag International Yoga Day to her post. Shilpa Shetty Kundra, who was one of the first Bollywood stars to create a yoga video and teaches yoga in large camps as well, shared a video of herself on International Yoga Day where she chanted the Shanti mantra with folded hands and said, "Swasth rahiye, mast rahiye, योगा को अपनाइए क्योंकि योगा से ही होगा।
स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, योगा को अपनाइए क्योंकि योगा से ही होगा।
Varun Dhawan, who is known for amazing abs and super fit physique, shared pictures of himself practicing yoga and stretching in different poses with the hashtags balance, which perhaps refers to how yoga teaches people to find a balance between their body and mind. It's a deceptively simple looking but amazing inside-out workout for your tan and man. तो आपने कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया वर्ल्ड योगा डे? Amidst the rough patch the movie industry and the country is going through right now, we got some good news when we saw that Rana Daggubati and Mihika Bajaj's wedding preparations have begun. The couple is tying the knot in August while following the safety protocols shared by the family earlier. Looks like the pre-wedding festivities have begun, as we saw a post by Mihika Bajaj where she's wearing a beautiful lehenga and jewelry with a special mask that was created for her safety. जहां कई दिनों से इंडस्ट्री पे दुख के बादल छाए हुए हैं, वहीं खुशी की एक किरण हमें दिखाई दी जब हमने राणा दग्गुबाती की फियांसे मिहिका बजाज को एक सुंदर लहंगे में देखा। The Bahubali actor who proposed to Mihika earlier this year had a simple roka ceremony with just family members and are supposed to tie the knot on August 8th. मिहिका के फोटो को देख के लगता है that the wedding preparations and pre-wedding festivities have already begun. Sharing her pictures on her social media page, Rana's होने वाली बीवी wrote, "The celebrations continue." Thanking her team for making her look and feel beautiful, she added, "Thank you for making my day so much more special." Mihika's accessories were just as beautiful and complemented her designer lehenga perfectly. She wore an elegant jadao mala with polkis, rubies and pink tourmalines crafted in 18-karat gold. She also wore jadao mang tika and bracelet and kept her makeup natural with a traditional bindi and pink lips, adding the perfect finish. We just loved this simple and elegant bride-to-be look on Mihika and are so excited to see her in a full bridal avatar. Rana Daggubati's father, who had confirmed the wedding date, has shared that the given pandemic and government protocols, all arrangements for the wedding will be made accordingly. Well, after months of gloomy news, we can't wait to enjoy a big, beautiful wedding with a handsome groom and a gorgeous bride.
देखिए, जिनको जो जवाब चाहिए था उनको ऑडियंस ने जवाब दे दिया, so I don't feel the need to say anything. I think we're a free country, everybody has a right to their own opinion. I don't think anybody should tell other people not to like something and judge other people because they like something. Kabir Singh is a film that has been loved by the audience, and it has done what it has done today because of the love that the audience gave it. I don't think we have so much to do with the success of Kabir Singh as the audience has, so I only have them to thank.
Shahid Kapoor's most successful and most controversial film Kabir Singh completed a year. The actor, who did not receive any award after his film was criticized for being regressive and misogynistic, shared on his social media page thanking all those who loved the film and appreciated his performance as the rather unlikable Kabir. Kabir Singh may have been the most successful film in Shahid Kapoor's career and one of the most profitable films in 2019, but the film has also battled a lot of criticism for its content that, according to some sections of the audience, glorified misogyny and toxic masculinity. Though he received no awards for his performance, Shahid has maintained that the love and appreciation from audiences is what matters the most to him. As the film completes a year recently, Shahid shared a post on social media with a picture of himself as Kabir and thanked all those who had loved the film. Shahid wrote, "To all those who gave so much overwhelming love to such a complex, conflicted character, thank you." Shahid wrote, "To all those who gave so much overwhelming love to such a complex, conflicted character, thank you." Kabir Singh was never just a film to me. It was an emotional arc that was raw, bare, unabashed, honest, fearless, real. Taking a dig at everyone who had been critical of the film, which was an adaptation of Telugu film Arjun Reddy, and have continued to be critical of its content and often questioned Shahid and Kiara Advani for choosing those roles, Shahid added in his post, "In a time where people are quick to judge others, not themselves, you understood him. You understood our interpretation of the angst of a broken heart. This one will always be special. So special." While Shahid's performance as a troubled lover battling alcoholism and substance abuse received equal amounts of love and hate, the film was a turning point for Kiara Advani as well, who played his girlfriend Preeti in the film. Thanking all those associated with the movie, Shahid wrote, "And it would just have not been possible without Kiara Advani, Sandeep Reddy Vanga, Murad Khetani, Ashwin Vardhe, Bhushan Kumar, Santha Dope, Payal and so many others. Thank you all once again. And remember, keep it real and make it count. Be kind, be good, spread positivity and always believe." Congrats on a year of Kabir Singh, Shahid. Love it or hate it, it was a film that couldn't be ignored or easily forgotten. It's been a week since the tragic death of Sushant Singh Rajput, and after the final rites were completed in Mumbai, Sushant's family immersed his ashes in Patna. सुशांत के परिवार ने पटना में एक प्रेयर मीट भी ऑर्गेनाइज की थी, जहां सुशांत के परिवार के लोग और सुशांत के पुराने दोस्त वहां मौजूद थे टू प्रे फॉर हिज सोल टू रेस्ट इन पीस. It really seems hard to believe that such a young actor and a wonderful human being is no longer amidst us. But Sushant, ab jahan bhi ho, we hope that your mind is at peace. It's hard to believe that it's been more than a week since we lost the wonderful Sushant Singh Rajput under very tragic circumstances. While the nation and Bollywood are grappling with a lot of anger and grief, with Sushant's fans lashing out against powerful figures in the movie business, Sushant's family organized a prayer meeting in his memory at his hometown Patna. His father and sisters had attended his last rites in Mumbai, where the actor passed away but travelled back to Patna to immerse Sushant's ashes in the Ganga. Sushant too had spent his formative childhood years in Patna before moving to Delhi.
थोड़ा प्यार से
Video and some photographs from the prayer meeting, which was held at Sushant's Patna home, have been shared on social media. और उनकी तस्वीर पे हार देख के पहली बार ये यकीन आने लगा कि वाकई अब वो हमारे साथ नहीं है. In fact, just last year, Sushant had visited his hometown in Bihar to fulfill a mannat his mother had taken years ago. किसने सोचा था कि एक साल में इतना कुछ बदल जाएगा? In the images that have been shared, Sushant's family has lovingly decorated a smiling monochrome picture of their beloved son and brother with a traditional Indian lamp that is lit as per rituals following a family member's death. It's been almost 2 months since we lost the very talented actor Irfan Khan, who was battling with a rare form of cancer for almost 2 years. We've been consoling ourselves by watching his films and remembering this genius. लेकिन उनके परिवार के लिए अभी भी the wounds are very raw and painful. Irfan's wife Sutapa shared a very moving post on her social media account remembering the actor after the flowers Irfan had planted with great love had bloomed. वक्त के साथ एक बात तो हम समझ गए हैं that actors may come and go, लेकिन इरफान एक ही रहेंगे. It's been almost 2 months since we lost the legendary actor Irfan, who succumbed to a rare form of cancer. उनके साथ हमने एक बेहतरीन आर्टिस्ट और एक बहुत ही अनोखे इंसान को भी खो दिया. Irfan's wife Sutapa, who often pens emotional notes for the late actor, and her beloved husband shared a moving post on social media where she shared a picture of beautiful lotuses and remembering her husband's efforts in making them bloom. Sutapa shared a picture of the small pond with pink lotuses and wrote a note which said, "The lotuses remember you, Irfan. You took so much pain to bring them into life in bottles and create a place for them to bloom here." After Irfan's death, Sutapa and their son Babil have been sharing memories of the actor and revealing some unknown aspects of his personality.
We all should have just ordered a la carte. Yeah. अगर हम लोग खाने ही नहीं वाले हैं तो आधा
His love for nature, his connection with the rains, and the fact that he enjoyed gardening a lot. In fact, कुछ ही हफ्तों पहले Sutapa had shared a beautiful picture of a tree that Irfan had planted years ago and thanked her husband for giving them so many reasons to smile even after he was no more. She wrote, "What a wonderful gift to get today. Trees will always bloom even after you are gone." Irfan's son Babil had also shared an unusual picture of Irfan with a camel and revealed that his father had a strange connection with the rains and only his late father could explain it to him. इरफान के जाने के बाद जब पहली बार बरसात हुई तो सुतापा ने इरफान को याद करते हुए कहा, "Thank you so much. I hear you. Yes, I know it's from you to me, and it touched my body and soul. Between the two realms, we have the rain connecting us. We really miss you, Irfan. आपका बोया हुआ प्यार आज भी खिल रहा है और हमेशा आपकी फैमिली को खुशियां देता रहेगा."
It's ice.
प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, बट गाइस स्टे ट्यून्ड बिकॉज़ आई विल बी बैक इन अ शॉर्ट व्हाइल.
Why are you not happy?
I think you're not happy. I'm very sure.
From using inappropriate language on tickers carrying the news of Sushant Singh Rajput's death to thrusting a mic in his father's face, journalists have come under a lot of criticism these days. Now, there were recent reports that Sushant's psychiatrist had actually revealed details of the issues Sushant was facing. But now his doctor has come out with a statement on his social media account denying that he violated any patient-doctor relationship and confidentiality, and in fact accused the news sites for creating false news. While the police continue their investigation, on the other hand, a legal case has been filed against Sushant Singh Rajput's rumored girlfriend Riya Chakraborty in Bihar. It's unfortunate to see the outpouring of anger and angst that's divided Bollywood fans after Sushant Singh Rajput's death. But the most unfortunate scenes we have had to see after the actor's death is the insensitivity with which people have spread fake news and shared sensitive pictures and videos of the actor and his family as they battle their emotions after hearing about his death. While the police are still investigating why Sushant died so tragically, his fans were shocked to hear that confidential reports from Sushant's psychiatrist had been leaked that allegedly revealed the actor regretted breaking up with Ankita Lokhande, who was his partner for 6 years.
नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये हमेशा मेरे पीछे है. Like he loves me and he's always there for me. So I don't need to be possessive about it.
Why are you not happy?
I think you're not happy. I'm very sure.
While these reports were later retracted, Sushant's psychiatrist has come out strongly against these allegations and issued a clarification on social media with a screenshot of the investigating officer's interaction with a journalist. The doctor wrote in his post, "It is incredible how much filth there is in the media, wherein the most basic confidentiality issue between a client and a therapist is just trampled upon with great impunity. Thank God for professionals like DCP Abhishek, who is aware of the tenets of the client-doctor privileged communication. On my request, he was kind enough to send me this snapshot." In another development related to the case, a resident of Muzaffarpur in Bihar has filed a complaint against Sushant's rumored girlfriend Riya Chakraborty and accused her of abetting his death. This is the second case filed in Bihar after a local advocate Sudhir Kumar Oja filed a petition accusing Bollywood bigwigs Salman Khan, Karan Johar, Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Ekta Kapoor and others of stalling Sushant's career.
अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ के अगर मैं किसी एक ही इंसान के बारे में सोचूं जिन्होंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंस्ट्रूमेंटल रहे हैं जहां मैं आज हूं उनके में, तो वो एकता मैम है, तो वो तो हुक्म करेंगे और हम फॉलो करेंगे.
अगर ये उनकी यादों की तौहीन नहीं तो और क्या है? brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now. But do not forget to leave your views and comments in our comment section below on our social media handle and digital platform. Until next time, it's bye-bye, but stay tuned to Zoom and keep watching Planet Bollywood.